Welcome viewer, this is Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change time zone in Windows 10. Click Start button. Click Settings. Click Time and Language. Right side of the date and time. Click Additional Date, Time and Regional Settings. Click Date and Time. Click Change Time Zone. In the drop-down list shows all time zone. You can select any one of the time zone. Thanks for watching. This video was helpful. Please subscribe our channel. Bye.